See, in this question we are using the concept of super mesh. Okay, so we have to apply KVL in mesh 1. Mesh 1 you can take A to B, right? B to C, C to G, G to I, and back to A only, right? So we can write down apply KVL in mesh 1, A, B, C, G, I, A, right? Now you have to tell me the equation. Again, you have to mark the sign. Your current is moving from A to B, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, right? Positive, negative, positive, negative, then positive, negative, positive, negative. Now tell me the equation for the mesh 1. Start from A only. Yes, negative 10I1, then minus 2I1 minus I2, then minus for I1 minus I3, then plus 6 equal to 0. So this is your equation 1, right? Now can you tell me the for the another mesh? Another mesh we can consider the B, C, D and back to B, right? Can we consider this mesh? This is mesh 2, that is B, C, D, B. Now tell me the equation for this mesh. Negative 2 I2 minus I1, then see it is positive negative like that. We have to consider this mesh sign only. So negative and then negative only, right? If you are taking this mesh, you have to consider this mesh sign only. You can't consider another mesh sign. So that would be negative 2, then minus, yes, then minus is equal to 0. This is your second equation, right? Now we have to take mesh third. As you can see that if we'll take this mesh, there is a current source, and I told you we can't go through the path where current source is present, right? If we'll take this mesh, this is also the current source. Again, we can't go through the path where your enemy is present. I told you current source is just like your enemy. So in this case we have to consider the super mesh. Okay, we can consider this mesh. So mesh 3 is C, D, H, G, C. Now can you tell me the equation? Tell me. I'm marking the sign positive, negative according to the direction of current. Now tell me the equation. Minus 2I4 minus I2, then minus 4I4, then is equal to 0, right? Okay, now from we have to take equation from this current source, right? We have to draw one equation from the current source. Can you tell me what would be the equation from the current source? In this I3 and 3 ampere are moving in the same direction or in the opposite direction? Yes, it is in the opposite direction. So if I3 is in the opposite direction with 3 amperes, so that would be minus I3, right? Now I4 and 3 ampere are in the same direction or in the opposite direction? No, same direction. 3 ampere is also moving up and I4 is also moving up. We have to see with respect to only with current source. So that would be plus 4 is equal to 3 ampere. Okay, so you got fourth equation. So I told you how many rooms are there. 1 2 3 4. 4 rooms means 4 meshes. Okay, so 4 meshes means we have to make 4 equation. Understood?